Oh, Namada Roma.
Yado bad yasi. Nana ansana yebe ram kakra no. Boy nkomo kakra na yenhwe yachi. Kotoka International Airport. Yenim se yabeti abakwasem kakra ewo ho a. Nana mayentim free hodum. Abakwasem be ne wom. Na afei edi na yesi aba besesa no. Ewo nyina so. Wo de won ya adwen.
No, it's interesting. Say, and if be about Ghana and say, yes, summer, yes, summer, yes, summer, yes, summer. I mean, it's interesting because Kotoka stage a coup, a new building stage coup, 24 February 1966. And one more added to Dr. Kwame Nkwantabisa. Now, a law, you see, a decree normally establish the airport. An airport on Kwakra or Kutuka Gardens or Kutuka Gardens in Assassin. I'm on for Francis or Madame.
Nana, no, no, if I say
airport in China, airport. As a Uber. The flight, local flight in Belandia. Belandia. Eba Tamakano.
Yeah.
Or Nakutuka Gardens or Lord also somebody could to statute. Lord no so a supporto could to carry in ma. Any woman or a protected could to come. So there's a law, and that law was NLC.
Sompa FM
decree and a follow part of the transitional provisions law. No, I do the court to be a court to be a court to be a issue. Yes, I want no keke. Sorry, better go to airport. No, it was banned by a law. Now. Ultimate court is so costly. If you say one of the NLC laws in India and you frame the transitional provisions.
Okay.
So transitional provisions NLC, NRC, SMC 1, SMC 2, AFRC, court to be ultimate question. And I am sorry, I very said, maybe it will go to Parliament and send a son or the court to be any. But the question is that, yes, as a country, what exactly do we stand to achieve? But I will tell you.
Metia Parala. Okay.
From November, I was Abraham bin Piaka. We your number one priority. Abayini okase obeko 24-hour economy. We beko don't you've never thought of it. Is it not the number one priority? You live in a country. You see a dollar no egina. And so can you walk also and so walk also. Are you not worried?
Of course, we are worried.
So these are the major issues we should be discussing. For me.
Nana, but as a historian, no, you may be a honma. You better make giant, sir, or because there are other issues, sir, and also you have other committee and relevant institutions taking care of it.
Look, this could to curtain. Please, if people don't know the history of this country, they should stop wasting our years. Who are NDC? Who's it to Kaku? Na ku never ete wa na ma PNDC ba ma NDC ndie na wo se ya na sabe wadwene no I say do kwa nkafo. I don't want to try this morning.
But na say omo de emfa obi adin tu bibia so Kotoka ne adin dia akoto so de e ka no wasem.
Yeah, but I'm saying that who are NDC?
Yeah.
Who's Kotoka yeku atu Kwame Nkwantabisa. Enti dini Kotoka no one pet ye nyim free so.
Yeah.
And the same person who NDC, A PNDC 31st December 1981. PNDC the two Hillary Mam. NDC, you are proud of that legacy. Because NDC is say you couldn't buy.
Yeah.
So NDC and you are passing young change in the Kutuka Yekua. NDC party now and you couldn't NDC party to buy.
Exactly.
So I think you do be a Sabio, Miss Rebecca. Yamaya Junum. I am my Yakasa. So Yam Yakasa. But what do you make a yassa?
Metiasa Parana.
Yes. So why again until why Yarga war NDC? No? What you say cool in T70. Also, you are a product of PNDC, also a product of a coup. You know, Ghana catch for being no sabi, and you rubber phobia, dear habit, and I say, you cannot. Who did this a kunya dia? Kunya dia. If you are making that statement, say kunya dia. And your NDC came out of PNDC, NDC, so yeah, and I'm a
exactly, but Nana some Becca said, no, no, free PNDC, bar NDC. The new clother, a just transition from a coup to democratic governance.
Go back again, look at the NDC and PNDC. It was just from metamorphosed to a political party. It metamorphosed to a political party. And you walk in MPP front and can say be UP4.
Yeah.
UP MPP say. And so I'm just saying I'm free number. And just
yeah.
And so what is the problem now? Maybe I mean to you, Number some chances, and create the anchor. Sign and conforce them. You can change the name today. Tomorrow somebody will also change the name. Ode Pranubi, Ode Ranabata to Omanabuama. Me the manager home said the Ranabata to Omanabuama. I'm happy. But from what is happening in future, they will change the runabout to Kofodia. And this is a change from Manabuama. As I'm call Kofodia runabout. We should learn first.
But when you people say two different scenarios. One is on the line of duty under a democratic government, but also under a coup d'etat. Nana, these are two different.
Please. If you don't know the history, let me school you. Power grant is school no. And mat. Ajakun ko fa na reto power grant. And now we change it dinino.
O ma change.
And abrongo, we change it dinino. Ne o me ya no, secret and we change it dinino.
O ma chinsam.
Kalio, Dr. Kalio, wa o me change no. Dombo, o me change no. Dombo, woman changing.
Or Massisano. Yeah, Massisano.
So, can you tell me, going by this analogy, or Manabu should be and Dakoro? When we do that, we are polarizing the system.
Okay.
Or Manabu, Mammy, one the MPP, then a Panasam, and he had the Brono to know. And I had run about to know. But in the corner, no, I am Julian Fisher that she had a dollar or no bishop, on the son. Because I didn't fear no, I didn't once in a buy. Not actually a bear fear, I didn't once in a buy. And it's a very dangerous thing. And as a country, you be to be sorry can be say, Yano masses and masses and masses and women. Car grant in the Unisika, car grant in the Unisika. And then I could father me down on the Isika could take it to my Kwame Nkwantabisa. And then the human tattoo, which was a sentiment. Now, Manabu Amandi and Ade Akye Abia causes a first in Sri Lanka. And to be there, I made them Timberby, but mean command and I said that's a so doing on Bessa Sano. First in Sri Lanka, be Bessa Sano.
It is as saying, and I saw I say.
What is hiding?
As way bad, now my sister way because and yam line way bad and free a hot. Sassy say, and I saw a day not a bed of too bigger.
Beside this funny I are there. Beside the name of who be something. Yeah, because as is assassin, a good father no buy and one man's son, the Nedin. A drink can only go to a month for.
So found this in Somba almost as a son, apostrophe you won't talk about.
Also, apostrophe or no apostrophe is a matter of history. Apostrophe or no apostrophe, it is a matter of history. No, we need to be very careful in this country. I'm saying that the polarization in Ghana is going serious. And if we don't take care, it will explode one day. It would explode. Mark my words. Polarization is going on in this country. It would explode one day. Ohinga ya krapimi omude Accra Sports Stadium tono ni lante vanda pani so omompene.
Yeah.
Sa the party no de Accra to no olompene no. Sa party no na do Kumasi so to baba yara. What is Asante focus ai? Asante for men complaining on the prince of baba yara. As the Ashantis never complained. Omso ya prince of baba yara onya Asante ni ye pe. And can I forbid him just say yampe? And change it. Eh, no be at in a baby. Nana the IGP de approach father menshia bedia kwesida idea. After muti wo complaining. Muti wo complaining. You ain't seen anything yet. You ain't seen anything yet. Okay. And I've been a diaba. And you're Mahama and a diaba. Polarization, I am a hammer at the buyer. All the question that nobody look about, nobody the royal lady Saba, nobody about something. After a big complaining. So it's a very dangerous thing in this country. We don't think that you imagine. All
right.
So what be something about Matchroom? That was in 1967.
Yeah.
Omo ye kumu kutukano. Two of them, Moses Yabua and Dono Sopuku. Omo ya bonofo. Moses Yabua and Sopuku. Omo ya bonofo. What I say?
Yeah.
Yabua,
so no so Yabuninion. Lieutenant Yabua, no Yabuninion.
Moses Yabua Sopuku ne.
Aye.
No me abon for one fee.
Oh, okay.
No me CPP for.
Oh, okay. I see.
Okay.
So I death sentence. Okay.
So I am saying that look, in the history, as I mean, my quarter Ghana back or some. We can some as a Ghana for 10 years. No, me a principled and honest person. Principled and honest lawyer, principal and honest academician. I'm a statesman. Minkasa basa. Talk to my own party MPP, me started 2022. Because Baumio. When was I not doing him? I was about social media, but Baumio, but when was I making be? My again, because maybe a Diabana, we are a Diabana free. A Diabana free, I mean, you probably have good shoe. No matter what, baby, that is the way I behave in life. Boko, me kabakosam, me can you move me near each other. Me can some. I'm saying, say, yes, oh, this is a dinner. Kotoka airport, Kotoka, or young one. What's the sunny dinner? I'm going to forbid my jet to my bed. There's a best some. You, baby. That's so. Yeah, the way the things are going on, I will not be surprised that that should be a better sorry. If you are satisfied, like I said, Kwame Nkwantabisa okay in US, it is possible. Looking at how things are going on now. Looking at how things are going on now, and I won't be surprised. So it is a dangerous precedent we are setting in this country.
Osusiem Kenya in sa kotokana na nkene musa.
Yeah, but you know, if you want to name an airport, Tamnatre, you can name the Tamnatre as Accra Airport.
Okay.
Then the domestic one will be Kotoka. Now, what in the natural say? Na mo de kra wo ya na kra potentin kran so mo ni ahemfo bi no ma wo so di dini ne beto wo ma be yi ah wo ni ahemfo ni bi won kran ya wo di dini ne to wo ma e be yi you pay me na lie you can use them been 50 something 40 something 60 something what do you at home because maybe the hatred say oh you cool now NDC no so you cool na ma NDC buy doesn't make sense there be too for with your mother monto so no MPP NDC no me NDC for your nefa make am baba so MPP for your nefa make am baba so MPP for your nya make us say hey we mo nyi
okay
Ufa Ghana sika nkoye national cathedral sikadie bamo sikadie mamo we don't use a country's money to construct a national cathedral to appease you and answer to satisfy your God yanya sa we need train kwano mane nya adwuma on ka se me koye sculpture kan na people for ne be huru ne mti odin on se be opposition as they say they organizing seriously they organizing o de o NDC afa to baadwe na kare no ba wianya 62 na wanya dio montana hono monya mo calculations no we should the way the MPP is organizing no if we are an honest and sincere political animal we say no go for no papa sister no well I think that people should be so matured and it is dangerous. Grant. Was you marked the nephew so? You change it. Ayo, really, they don't go a bunch of you do the video. They will live to see. You are more fun down. But we need to see.
Nana Yadasiano pay Yadasi Bebre.
Yo, okay, all right.
Nana Obri Buahin, a private legal practitioner, or say a historian. Well, dear Gronso. New Patriotic Party as Deputy Secretary before. I'll pay tapping into his knowledge as a historian and then will be an NJ records and history. Now, with this Kotoka issue, no, I'll pay dive into it kakra. Na yadim komo, but yabe kwa humaso. Na yane Dr. Angie Kusi Apia. Doctor, a medical doctor, also Directorate of Oncology, Konfanochi Teaching Hospital. But I catch him say, and then World Cancer Day, and then die day at Wakai Kokram. Na ya create awareness. And to my enquire maso na any dog, any and come and so I will hold them. Dog out of my chain. Dog Jamia Dom now, Sonia Busiano, what to say. Ya do bwa dia se doc say eney say ka say eney da ya de kai world cancer ewiase nyina ya de to akai bibisa den na wo se timamufo ehu
okay edi kan na chia wetefo nyina Sompa FM etefo ne Sompa TV ahwefo nyina no kwese na ye world cancer day ewiase afanan nyina ye to enefi ho say ye de hwe kokram hon komodie ne hu kwan a ye besi ahwe na ya boye ho ban ne ma ye betinya ya ebe ma ye tinyenya ahoto na ye nkonya sa kokram no ye ka kokram a me sha say ye wo huna makwa ye cells I was said bibia besi wo nipadua ni ma ye wo kwan a Nyankopɔn ahyehyɛ say was said nipadua no timi yi nyema bi free ho say bi a yare bi ananse san bi aba oni nipadua ni ma nanso no toda ya na honam na ya asoden kakra na amakwan a Nyankopɔn ahyehyɛ say was say unya yaresa anase niema sa dane ekɔ ne dadam bi na ate afa so na fe no sa cells no nyini ebro sene was anka omusie nyini ne ho omaso ayeden kakra ebasa na bi omaba bebo omai to say lamp ana bisa eno na eba ni akata wanya kokram no obi bi say den na de kokram e yenyan hu meaning fa say te fu eno ano moche but yɛnyɛ hu ade pɔkyere a yɛde kokora me ba nanso no yɛayɛ nhwehwɛmu bi so many years ago sɛ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔnom a yɛhu sɛ ɔmo nya kokoram no na ɔmo wɔ a mɛka ne sɛ risk factors nti obi wɔ hɔ a wowɔ bibi sɛ a ebɛtumi ama woanya bi biribi wei wɔ ho a anaasɛ woyɛ biribi wei a ebɛtumi ama woanya bi bɛnyɛ sɛ ɛno pɔkyee na ɛde ba ebi sɛ saa nneɛma yɛ a mɛka kora no obi wɔ hɔ a ɔwɔ saa nsɛnkyerɛnne no nyinaa bi ɔwɔ saa nneɛma no nyinaa bi nso na onya cancer no obi nso ne mu biara na onya cancer no na ɛma wɔ den sɛ yɛ dɛn ɛna ɛkɔfa bae generally nneɛma no bi bɛyɛ sɛ cigarette nom
okay
cigarette nom yɛ ɛna afei nso nsa nom yɛho sɛ even for breast cancer ɛyɛ no mu kokoram no sɛ ɔbaa nom nsa da biara even one bottle da biara ebetumi increase the risk no by 10%.
Hey.
So when you have breast cancer, yes. And now things so no BB to say cervical cancer. Last month, na cervical cancer awareness month. You can't cervical cancer kokrame to wa wodiano. And no ya na ya dwen kosi fi say and say no for na e wa bonten na obi ho no. But no so wo ho. I know say ya dey ma tanya pa. And no yɛwɔ virus bi a ɛnayɛ ɛma ne mmarima nhyiaeɛ anaa nhyiaeɛ biara mu no wotumi nya but honam na so nyɛ den a sɛ wonya saa virus no a anaa infection no a honam no tumi firi hɔ akyɛ 1 year 2 years ɛbɛfiri wɔ system no nti anka mɛfa ne sɛ obiara a ɔne ɔbaa no a bɛrima ahyiam da no anya saa virus no bi da but sɛ nyɛ obiara na anya cervical cancer anaasɛ anal cancer but the paper na for the nebema na fe dano na oba benya cervical cancer generally I think so no say dia you stomach cancer and also ya dia e wo ho ananse you hu ne nkakra normally we get at they were also one hospital you treat you enko maybe e was a because say be na enye ulcer but say medicine na mountain na ulcer near friend ulcer it than as ordained be to pass up na say about than cancer na ya cause when your stomach cancer and I tell you where you say me wo koko me ko toilet and say be mu se moja eba and I say be aba be tia no so ebi a starting na koko and I ho na echichi oye metini nti ho no wo ja wo nan na ekro ba ho mo wa ekro ba baby no ahoden no you kind of say as what they need to meet back e ma net fact e ma say ne wo tank ekro no esi ekofo ma na say ni pe bia na say nya na ho to bi no ete fast way to da ne cancer nti cancer dey kin akọ bia ke wo say wo fit say niema bi say me ho na me ni pe bia na nkasa no me ho te sen na me wo ho dada ne me ho fiti uhu eno na bi ba wo be ho ntem me no 40 say enye say na na uhu century ni pepepe wo be ho say bi asesa na ma we to ho fire for hospital me yem ntanya me ya ana also e dia achew na wa hospital me bowa achew na wa hospital enye say na me no so say ase me ni efikakra me kata for si omonte now they are hospital ebi ana e o cancer na e miti sad
doc na ai cancer na cha say timi to baby amoa
o baby
hey da
na me o catcher back o to we baby
asemo symptoms ni bi te say dia na ba o say mo adwen ba so ntem
okay intene na me kate e wo say wo hu onipadua no say ye sitie dada me wo hoi me te say me no for ba ko nso nchen da ko me no for bi grandem nti wunya hu ya wo no for no nti san bia ba mi wa bia ba betuma ye nsentrene wo so okay e bia wo ho dada bibi ya wo te say koko a si ho na mani e wo ho et saa ye de wo saa na wo ho no but wo be hu say e bia color nurse sa ana ye kasi bi kan ho a e wo say e twenwadwen ekosi bibi so ma wo de kɔ hospital ana sɛ ekɔ bi etu
Sompa
ekɔ no
FM.
enyi da ebi a wo de bɛsɛ sɛ diabetes na wɔnti na ekɔ ne nkɔ ba so that so ebi a na yɛ cancer nti na ekɔ na atɔ no ɛnya adi a ewu da no ana sɛ so no yɛ na ɔyɛ medicine ana first no na utumi egya wo nan easily but na nkyɛn de yɛ a ɔyɛ medicine ana sɛ afei no egya wo nan dodo ne nyinaa nso yɛ nsɛnkyerɛnni a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛhwɛ ana sɛ wɔso ate bi a wɔnte ase wɔnhyɛ dan yɛ wadwen sɛ wɔkɔ sɛ menkɔ biara but wɔso te a na ɛte ana afei wo dɛ fifiri kyɛw dodo wɔ ho yɛ hyɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa ana woyɛ ɔbaa wɔatwa bra ɛni sɛ wo ho mogya na wɔ hɔ a na afei wahyɛ ase sɛ wo ho mogya a ne nyinaa yɛ nneɛma a ɛwɔ sɛ wɔadwen kɔ so sɛ biribi asesa ɛwɔ nipadua mu sɛ wopɛ ho asɛm na woka
I see. Enti dog mami wo so cancer no eba yetimi treaty ana yetimi esa.
Patwai.
Okay.
You were cancer to honoma ade anka on chain for my name but we ho bi ne di kan pa ne cervical cancer. Sanka ya dia yin na ye kwa screen ni ade a di anka yin ho cervical cancer fe si honoma. But enya ba ejina ebrefo a wo be di kan ho so e na ye cha early detection saves lives. What ya so wo nen tema etimi boa my boa now so say what not na why we say we ska and I wish you say doctor go for your operation and now begin now that's not na when I are next economy man and no na ya na ho asem kan ba be ye but sanka wo nen tema ye chemotherapy ibi wo ha ye wo say radiotherapy and give it to us here now. The California cancer, 13 years ago. You treat your mom that's what you have many problems. Oh, now it's a 7 million because of who them and all bad.
Okay.
But the word it's not one one band 10 year. And then I'm not a quack of fast and my banner.
I see. And today, yeah, cancer day. A day activity bisa na I was eba na mami muso say cancer no age bia etimi nya
me pa cho man tie ho
na me busa say cancer no shed any specific age range bia etimi ba at any age.
Hello.
Oh dog
Sompa FM.
na me busa say dog what me nka Then we say cancer no any specific age range bia it me bat any age.
Okay, very good question. Enti first part no near to say unyini no niema so san wo abrabo mu no eno na e wosanka cancer no etimi ba if we say abra ayo when you hear me but unyini na nka wosanka so na unya cancer no obra wenyi na so no say no enkora ye hu bi wo ho first I expect to say prostate cancer be a omunya 50 60 say kono na wasanka ye hu so omunya prostate cancer no 40 years for nyina ti me nya bi breast cancer near to say be after 50 years kono but 20-year-olds in nya bi
I see.
And I won't cry for cancers or why. If you are crying, I want in there 2 months, you don't know what cancer and no so. But generally, so say 8 weeks, no, platform. Yeah, na ye who in and I had me for so. It means one day you can DNA the environment and sacred means for the you know who ye pass, but to say no, yeah.
Okay.
Age range be
the timiba. Dog, I'll pay my nasi. One rare education how their mind.
Correct. You're welcome.
Thank you. Dr. Angie Kwame Abia, a medical doctor, Directorate of Oncology, Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, oncology na say mo the study of onco no a Greek word ti me tepe na aba mtrim oncology onco ni kire tumor enti pompo ne sa anwoma no enti oncology the study of Kwame tire ni ya adwuma o Kwame tire na nso kwa o tire ni ya adwuma o minia da rafa ma chie
obeni mejoso
a beautiful African wear week
Ane
bibi akoso de
obadi adaro ba Kwame bibi aye fine pa pacho na nso
ne dom no edoso mame
pacho da ye
me da ye
okay
me da ye ade nya che nko ade a se oda fomu se oda bazo se oda abursanso se oda takwa mi mu
se na dede go eko wasumu
se dede ko wasumu se dede ko wasumu ye ade achi
e friend ade achi
baby ada na ye fom na edin o se edin my sister said Danado. I love like Danado. Kwame,
obeni
anope ye right stream kakra but MC Amonsa Mwame na yanko back to majority leader business of business parliament business and government business only before parliament and no will be the cover to Cadian by yenhwe videos na I think you have some of the videos about kumie bi na yenya the clear picture na afi
out because my colleagues have already taken the lead to the
where afenyo de no o de yenko majority leader on Kotoka majority leader one
from Kotoka. Yeah, so the Minister for Transport will bring Maritime and Related Offences Bill, road traffic regulations to deal with the Okada legalization and the discipline that is needed on the roads by Okada riders and tricycle riders, and then the Ghana Shippers Council regulations. And we are changing the name of our airport from Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport. So a bill will be brought by the Minister for Transport for the name of the airport to be changed from Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport. So the Accra International Airport bill will also come, and then they will ask us to approve some international bilateral agreements and multilateral agreements for them. Yeah, so the Minister for Transport will bring Maritime and Related Offences Bill, road traffic regulations to deal with the Okada legalization and the discipline that is needed on the roads by Okada riders and tricycle riders, and then the Ghana Shippers Council regulations. And we are changing the name of our airport from Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport. So a bill.
Okay, and that is the majority leader, Minister for Government Business. Also, Parliament echo recess. And the ENRA and Parliament esa eba back. Na eba nesa na government business. They mo peso omuye the projections and they talk about that. Na I don't know that majority leader kase bill ba kwa omu hwe bills ne dawson. Arope kwa na meka one bill actual say Kwame Nkrumah honum no park no ne ade nyina on pese omu na authority. Any languages no nyina on pese omu ne authority ebi wa ye commission ebi wa ye way but be authority nyina anim tumi a enya anode Kotoka de nka ho. But don't forget say Kotoka asemi ba ye enye ne aba akọ saa aba na ese yesesa na aba na enche na mrantie bi eka ohubo mu na emrante ne kase Kotoka na ya de a oba Ghana near kind of history. Usi ya say your back say ya kwaba say wezo. Usi ya baby auban. Ye airport no. Edi adaso ye kutuka. Edi nyoma ya tourists ananipa bebre ye ne say. So Udru Hetro Airport. Something I asked about the name Hetro. Udru all other airport. China di cry hokra mrefidi. And also ubusa and I have the history there. Ombekani nyina achew. Enti Ghana ano so obiba no Udru no busa Kotoka International Airport. I know you're there. Of course, among former history. Why you just say you the to soldier ni panyini bia waba Ghana be adwuma ekwo. Na ye kun papa no ewo ho. Engineer ni din be Kotoka, but history ne ba. Don't forget say in the 1950s no. Ana World War II. The Second World War no. Na British for no use that place as a royal, you know, airport. I know here for British Royal Army no. I don't move it. That's the 1950s. I don't go much into it because I can't be count kakra. 1950s no. And then that was the same place. Papa friend Kotokano, ye kuno. Na Kotokano, oyobia ordine tu nkroma first coup d'etat back Ghana hane Kotoka. A very young man, rare military nim. Monfa Kotoka video ni nto so ba me. Na yambo mu hwe history ni kakra. I think Gen Z ni bi o munyan Kotoka ni video ni tete video no monfa nto so ba me. So history have it say apano in 1950s na ba ya then they decided to translate it Sebeya Africa hano Ghana beye bia Africa hani na ye beye gateway ama wo mu eto enkroma mo decide say is ade yem ne enye expansion kakra entidin wo hono mo to say that can ne din na ye called that is the name and wo dadaw Accra International Airport no. And then because of Kotoka ewo de buy no. Around 1967 thereabout, yes. I Kotoka no. In 2 years time, which is 1969. I don't change di no at the Kotoka. Nano na man for kase. So I show obia ono no your first person to change the history of Ghana. Ade to me shine in some soja ban. So mo de ba o man Ghana no. Papa ni ye two nkroma ban gu. And one of the people CPP for dwan power we ase Kotoka. CPP for person betting din kra. Aman for believe say that time Kotoka became a hero. The time Kotoka became a hero they say. That nkroma aye say amemwo no one party state. Or person enjoy sa monarch way of ruling, no. And people were not happy. Some portion of Ghanaians were not happy. The truth must be told. They were not happy with nkroma kwanya no person of faso e rule Ghana no. Sections of Ghanaians, some section of the republic were not happy. Tiakoba asani adeda Kotokam kotu nkruma gu no. That section were happy. So mutu nkruma. I'm telling you today, they be any of the activity. Kotokam be ye intina Kotoka be hero at that time. Enti yadidi ni to no. Don't forget, say, the CPP and some Ghanaians were not happy with a Kwanya Kotoka efforts to change the history, no to a buying a young Kroma by Nuguyan. And they were shocked and surprised, say, after the death of a Yakotoka, a bone to Kuno. Now, Omopes Omudi Dino, a Koto, Sako to Kaya Yakan was him. Nagana Hanon. Arawo sebe wom se bibia ye de yaman yosem. Bibia ye de yaman yosem. That is the problem I have. Everything ye de yaman yosem Ghana. And to history wo ho no mama for any ho no. Don't forget say Kotoka because obi is akwan no. There were lieutenant 2 be. It is believed so me 3 about 2 pound of money eba ho. Yabo am say yabo am where I'm told this month they were from the Bunu region. And Akomo and the other a lieutenant. Omoko 2 Kotoka ne de. Sa time your momu face tribunal. That time na soldier de kwa continue say in this video I've been shown say me bie order na akwan ya ye fa so di o asem na ye marchi o mu sentenced to say em faris kwa o mu. Sa time was it Lashibi? Yes. Kono no mu bubo boss etu no. Enti it's not a matter of MPP and DC. But because Ghana and history have it say the NDC migrated from PNDC. MPP migrated from UP. And the Sao Manson atina watina. The idea UP be no. PNDC for allow. At the end NDC for be no. The UP that they have in MPP, that spirit will also not allow. And pinidu. But a lot of Ghanaians are saying, say, Kotoka was a hero. Yes, they own him, say, people celebrated Kotoka. I'm telling you this. They celebrated Kotoka. He was a hero. So, Tunkroma. Because of a Kroma person, they were not happy. I don't make them say before the baby. It's also a history, Maka. But take it or leave it. Obia oye cool dear. How can he become a hero? Me so sad so. Because I believe say, Bianca, there could have been a way. Because Nkrumah, believe in democracy. Non democracy no believe in a tone zoom. And Nkrumah drew baby democracy no tone zoom. Because what be your mind so now you don't want people to change you, you want to be one party state. All can see before any but CPP, you know CPP. Timaka. There's a long history towards this. But I don't pay I don't want to take much time. Oh, Mama Kwame Abem. Or message in 0509 438 500. 0509 438 500. Good morning, Anna Kwame. Why is NDC and NPP doing this to the country? Oh, Bisebiemu, you have over 500 outstanding bills to work with, especially the LGBT bill. Instead of you to work on them, you resume recess and you won't change names. Is that what matters most to Ghanaians? Posterity will judge us all. Father SK from Kenya Kumasi. Father SK Anope, good morning. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, me colleague teacher. So I think way back 2011, 2012 honum. And easy.
Historical.
Oh yes, I was even more history now. Who need I don't know.
Me uncle no.
Okay.
Me dance so me uncle no. All right. Mamira Facebook now messages are about honum no. Benfa Emra Hanum. Watching the show live and clear at Ahafumem Airport. Hey, Ahafumem Airport. Oh. Hey, Starboy. We also say Ghanaians did not waste their precious time voting for the NDC just for them to come and rename Kotoka International Airport. There are urgent issues, and they agree with you guys. Urgent issues, such as difficulties in transportation and water supply, that they need to address. How many Ghanaians use Kotoka International Airport? Less than 2% of the population uses the facility. Greetings to Honorable Eric Nanajman Prempe, MP for Ahafo Anon North, Chairman Odeneho Kwaku Apiakuka, and JFK. Why am I pay my memory way? Yadamfu, my memory. Na bibi aboko die.
Obeni.
Arapai maminchia sunyaifo. I'm told say the lasting, the long can say pinidu ekoso no etwam. Chieftaincy disputes na ekoso no omotwam oma resolve, and I'm happy. Now my more local government minister or one minister in charge of chieftaincy near Ahmed Ibrahim. My more na baso. Now me more lawyer Kwabwa. Also original minister. Lawyer Kwabwa no. My more na baso. In fact, okuyo musha asiache. Na me dese na so sika breye. Also so ene ni timo mati asia. Na so buahin koko. So atiase there should be a lasting peace. Without peace, there will be no development.
No,
I think all the regions need be a chieftaincy dispute. There should be a timer. Sebi, yeah, tinas in young solve us idea. Kwame, what the brim?
Obeni mamenasi anopena menche ya tier 4 na normal since so say almost share Sompa TV 80 on Sompa 93.1 Facebook and YouTube anopay. Obeni mame enchasi mfi baby awie ye de fa kotoka rename yi ne nasefo. One question about me trimu Abraham te say yesi e besesa din no na ye didi mfoforo e de abape de ba me trimu am bisa me ho ne say now there is say ye pese ye refi history e pese ye refi babia ye free de ye bedru babia ye ba bedru de ntia ye frɛ ye fourth republic ana ye refi say some of these names no emma ye memories about a niema bakumi nu bi a esi wo ye memu ha na emma ho kwan so ma manfo ekob ye research kan epehunu who they are, what they did, their contribution to the country, and babia yababa bedru non sono. The take away niema bakumi no a waso omutumi enya di film. Ekamia ye say edin sesano ya yen dead too much. And na obri boahin kano. Ya yen dead too much. When we get political power, we just want to do everything with that political power. Forgetting say, today we are here, tomorrow we are gone. And when we are gone tomorrow, nani pafo so eba. And amona ye twa, ne sana ye twa de ato honom no. And no, and a woman so eba bi di achiri. Prime example no the market and UST. What if so chine Asante Fonso sorry, say because of history A B C D. Enti yenyi Kwame Nkrumah din emfa mfiri so ne emfa din foforo emfa mra metoso. However, enwa na me kind peace kitwa bakumienu bi say 1967 so na attempted a counter coup bi happen wo airport ho which na kutuka ene na manfo sorry dia tia through that ene edi coup no na ekoba say ene yemfa de din konkoto so. Sometimes history no see a can mayan kana fanfa in. We should tell it fully for understanding. We should tell it fully for purposes of learning. We should tell it fully for purposes of say enyan sunsanso wo yenti ase eso e wo ya namuntu aye ba betu so. Now what are the reason omode mayinti omose womopese womose sadin Kwame minim if you've heard and you've had any reasons why omose sakutuka dina say wabeyi ku atwam nti wabeyi ku atwam no Ghana ku ansida na eno no say yete sa na eno nkyere yen say na ye wo estate na ku edi ahim e wo mamu ha ansana ye ba be piemu as independence a country and a nation ana. Is it not a part of a story that will resonate in the ears of the next generation? No more who be ye free aba. No matter as ye say Ghana na nsori prekope ne besi ho. Ghana na nsori prekope ne nebeye Ghana. Kotoka International Airport na nsori prekope ne besi ho say ye Kotoka International Airport. We had incidents I see ye free and running now no sa and sani ye ba bedru ba bia yadre. If they want to write some of these histories over, then they themselves, they should write one more past histories off. They should do away with it. Because you had some nneɛma bi esisi wɔ abrabɔ mu ansana ɛhyɛ wo din pagya wo de wo beduru baabi a waba baduri.
Exactly.
Obia wo memory, obia wo history. You cannot throw away the history we have as a country. Now wo nkwankɔ se sanom fa de bi from ɛhyɛ. Enti si ya na Accra International Airport enti ebeduru hɔ a die nkra de be pushi obi no mana te ase no ahunu se ɛyɛ den Accra International Airport by. At least these names, they anchor memory. These names, they tell us a story. These names, they remind us of who we are, where we came from. Yanjai sa political vindictiveness, sa political agenda na tembiano asa die chini nya sa tumi no say nya political power now. We just want to do everything with it. Baba Yara Sports Stadium say onye ayi asanteni bade daso aden ne yesa aden ene yesa aden na asesa na eya desa. If we want to name enkofo ahodo a wo mo beba wo mu din na sefo, we should do different projects ebe shine monyam na edi omudin aba beto so na edi omudin aba beto so na ye fe na ye kama. Accra International Airport about that ben Accra no buy that ben e establishing huntia and na yesi Kotoka International Airport a ko be bia dia him agidin na mamamfo epe hunu kwan fa so buy no ye pese yi free ho sa. So is it hard to acknowledge and penifo bi nkofo bi o matwa mu ana? Is it bad to give recognitions ana? Ane the see no be nenye, but it's a part of our story. It's a part of us. And no ne strengthen ye na die bedru ba bia ya ba bedru ye ndey. Ti momi enjaisa, momi enjai politics no, momi enjaisa na ma bi wo ho nhyenkuran, ene ma bi wo ho nyefe. Ene ma bi wo ho enkan komoden gu yasum, ene ma bi wo ho mfam pumtuo ne nkan komre o my Ghana. And never do or no here say. These are some of the things that a wound here and say I say do come your money by a national concern now dear betting near deliberated do come. You are championing this agenda for the purposes of what? What are your reasons? Na nyadi. Kwame Nkwantabisa bi na me na member and ra ye speaker of parliament and ra. Member na baso enra ne dressing no Kwame Oma you feel African ne dressing no from top to down me hu ya me say wow papa yi ton yen papa yi kire se Ghana ye wo enne pa bi wo ha ye de ye ho a efe ohwe enra was the first session of the first meeting or a first meeting rather of the second session of 9th Parliament in the 4th Republic. Omushia Kwame na honfama no say Kelvin be boame a Kwame wo hu ne kente na and then me special appeal say me pese that could be me frɛ bi say ana me de ba djuma Kwam. Oh yes Kwam. Kelvin me strong claim dey me dey say no speaker address no. Pese that could be me dress say a de ba. Nti owomu na African print ne na sefo nti se de ehye mi next time bi na ma hye seremfo de ne bi kwa me fuguru na ma hye ne che ne na yi sa every bi beba we would want to find ourselves in some of these dress eti e bi be sponsor ya media sa kente no se de ofura na ye me fe pa kwa me kan ni mu ya me nya bi anka me fra de abadwuma kwa me wo de hwe kwa me hwe ne fe yes hwe ne fe I can tell you the funny people in the dirty come. Come here, assemble here. Assemble here. Messi na bia. Ina bi no bi man kente bi si anka me Fred ya bedjuma. Come here, assemble here.
Orekas na ye.
Ani, me ya si anka me Fred ya bedjuma.
Enra so. All of your markings. Interview nye tie kakra. Ansa na mabam. Na anyaba because me sometimes I see it from afar. Na eagle no me tunam na mwem sa na me hwehwe wana mbeka. Na wa hwe ni ya out wa na ade na si. Yansha Ade a course then summer Afanya Markins a kind and proud to that and command
because my colleagues have already taken the lead to the flag bearers residence.
We will give the leader of the House the opportunity to continue the response. So we.
Sorry, I have to rush out because my colleagues have already taken the lead to the flag bearers residence.
We will give the leader of the House the opportunity to continue the response.
Augustan also oko. Nani colleagues are taking the lead, and that means say there are two things. It might be say he was aware. Because taking the lead, bro, Kase say, Omadi kind. What you say? Koka said they've taken a French leave. Can you different? They've taken the lead. But the purpose of Kenny say attempt to be able to say for now immediately some best change after your markets because the crack in MPP no. Whether you like it or not, there's a big crack in the New Patriotic Party, MPP. You have to have baby and yamia dom. Whether I work from the grassroots, now you might be some kambob. But Udu Sra and Sakra the bedroom leadership Nankasa no. A short front line for no more hono. I send the drew managerial top no. A two shares chain hierarchy na. Omo yo margin crash ompeso omubom bomechina. Some people are bitter. Some people are grieved. And out here koma many be didi ya ha. Na ujin kwechire tien komon kwechira is projecting something. The current situation at MPP a woman. Ayemra was so many pe team ni gina do kambo. This is not the time for you every office. Ye change way, ye reshuffle, ye change leadership. It is not the right time. Cedro baby no say be the leader, the performance no enye no person be in free wa. No person di obi or no so be inclined to the future of omu party na. Then they can do that. But media currently there. Though I didn't like Afenyo on certain and you may be but me share parliament say ya am the many moi. And nipo bet my year Juman currently. I have now woman Juma. There have been utterances, there have been certain decision, posture. Oh, the end maybe I don't like it. But me share parliament Kwame wine. Patrick Boama, also be man me on yan aging. Why? Kwajo upon Kruma. Because Kojo in parliament still have to learn kakrakan. Kojo is obia or a perfect gentleman, is an honorable member. But when it comes to taking the main, what do you say, parliament, you learn a lot of things. And up to now, they are near maybe you are still the sutia, Usia, to also or coche, you can't say, take videos, no, actually the leadership. Hansard nyama akoso sa time na apel free wo hoi me fini din mekaya JH Mensam wo ho the leadership skills kwa no mfa so yo munyoma ni nyina you have to learn the proceedings, the parliament Hansard itself, the rules governing or standing orders. No, even the rules when they guide you, man, know about the standing orders in parliament. You know, you understand? The maybe on ma. It takes time before you get all of them. So to me, for now, dear, they should allow. As too early. Sir, dream bebe omuntim class say, Dr. Baumianti. You believe say be an afenyo markets because of the ties with Kennedy and Japan. And he obeyed the bid of Kennedy Japan. Who in his right senses, limbs and the candidate elusu, and the bigger picture and say MPP Beba Pa, because in the wisdom of the former president John Odiawo Ajikum Kufo Akache say, yes sir, obey boy cry our party our power than so be chairman in opposition. Et why na seven prediasa or minority need change majority no be leader umpe. So where from all this nonsense and rubbish? So to me dear, some my agenda be some by a year. Money free okra because it will not help the NDC as a MPP as a party. Now na ba ko busa bi preduasa. Da afa na wo ko se yen chechire mani e chechira mo ozo bebo totes. O ever na de kwa ko totes no. So they have to be careful with some of these things. Ami Brahma na kan how na yeruram kakra na me mra kan how no. So kan how no o de kwa me wi na me draw picture ni.
Mate Kwame insem na o de atudwa asesi no. Menim se the Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or when we or the two no se party for no tie ana se bia o kan ye no mo fa no tra anampu ono ankasa kan tra se Kwame after everything they need cooperation and they say want to mean cooperate with the other side no wa bra na election internal election keke obi abetumi awo ba bia ope obi abetumi belong to ne nipa bia opese odi nachi because it's about election and the elections so your context of ideas the contested ideas say we na mejini tum say ye de neba obetumi abo party no we na mejini tum say ye de neba obetumi abo party no na say at the end of the day party ma and a delegate say asimasi obentin na ye man ndi anim kan a ye wi anka nsem ni nyina aka ni nyina ya to agu the aka ni nyina ne say collectively ye nyina ye ka ye ho abom na sa cooperativeness no ahyase na eye adwuma wo party man anymore because enne untumi nka che Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na adwene a ekuta no nko na odi ba be party you can't tell me that and untumi nka nkyere me say Kennedy ohina Japan so oni adwene bia obetumi dia boa party na ma party na gina na so untumi nka sa asem nkyere me untumi nka nkyere me say Brian a champion so enso eni ideas ono so de be board be boa party no se sisi a mo hyase yese njichemu ni nyinyimu na wo no na wo ni ha na wo no one support we wo anye we a then you are telling us Ghanaians say more as a political party no mo nye serious mo ni vision mo ni focus mo ni dia mo ye and then running the year and Kwame mi tie afenyo no o ha press conference no wanwie o onya kasa no ja microphone no no dey America ko na nka Kwame the minority we know them no nko mu ko ba bia nya afenyo na di o manim no mko so mu koye bibia nya afenyo na di o manim no mko koye
there could be so excuse so many
Kwame excuse very look at the hurriness awodi journey free microphone no ho okoduru ya kra Kwame na almost na de no kra so mu ya wi no mu ya wie so what means to say na omoni ni nyina ya adwen no mu di kan there's nothing like that and if you read na wo hwe videos ahodo no ahodo ababonta it tells you say ye for Nigeria ko ye media I'm saying this and saying it plainly ye for Nigeria ko ye hwe America kra odi wuru akọ omuru akọ kra na Dr. Baumia wakasa kra wi a wote wo no okochia ye yi fo na omote and who hear the facial expression who no straightforward say you it tells you something. I didn't know what some yes. This is the time I wasn't me who said unity now was more party in the morning. It is building from parliament. You are starting it from the top. Top there and a unity in the shas na cooperation in shas na descended down now bottom. Na se soro no mo shase tichemu a ebe papa mu sa na ensani dia bafom ho meanwhile ase wonso ne win election de mamo esoro ofo nti se mo soro ofo no mo tichemu na ensani beguru ase a hwan na be so mu ho no you are only telling us Ghanaians say still you are not ready to be the biggest opposition party that we can rely on you. You are telling us say still you are not government in waiting. When you ready say yemfa Ghana emmamo. That's the only language you are speaking to us this morning. Aden every heifer.
It's too early.
It's
to me it's too early.
Every heifer. Now more they consistent.
You can change your leader at any time.
At any time, I agree.
But say ya party.
You don't do it this way. Now why na more than neighbor see? Why na more than neighbor?
But you say you so beba obenyo bi dinaba. But to get experience and someone
why na modern neighbor no? Why na modern neighbor?
It's early days.
Now we just said here afenyo ekuta parliament no or ne majority no na se for aircon. Do etoda or the excesses are you be yampe. You be yampe. Me afenyo is one kind of
mama yanga cry city I was said jam city I was said the body say on say football I don't say kwanya ohwe Kennedy Japan enya say 699 or so
nya 44 something
yeah that nya 70 something or say 90 something or so mu interrogated because omunti ase I
know there na jokes
as afenyo no or catch him say edifa baako e da board be 60 so what ya on na board so e ka me nka na wo twa ko rekitega na ewu ewu ba and also eja no mu ka jo say
Kwame do afenyo won excesses me penasem personally me pe afenyo asem power from afar and Kwame you know that. But I thought that we are near man I make it loud. Me can't be or me catch show. Say I find the we I say it loud. But when you experience now what gain or you be a what know from the scratch. No, they ever be what be and from Swaka but you cannot say this is the time that was it Moya Madrin say because of election and internal election amoko yeti modi baby dina so ababi you be there. No, it doesn't make sense. There's no sense in this. This is uninvited. This is forbidden. The party shouldn't tolerate it. And Kwame Ninja so ebabe say it is because a party no leadership and so I am re Kwame I am re potos are better to move. Un said that say why cry the deep party nanim why na drive party no why na trust party ni dey fa why na trust way na was ye they say MPP mo menya sure say bi kra wom. So this is the time all of you must come together. Na money Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na nkakra ma build the party no na nka ebia yenru 2027 no ni ahu se party na gina ne nan so yie. Because most shall every top. Na unity na mu here na matumi dia ba. Na se mo shall every top na mo wie top awie na say dia modi banie. Afenyo will go and sleep. If you don't know, he will go and sleep and he will only focus on the constituency. Which also me help sure. Let me name say what cement ho. A honum was cement ho. Wo opa mun ko fa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nua na Dr. Mahmoud ankasa nko contest afenyo e wo ifutu honum obe bon ahwefom obi antumi ntu no. So at least this should tell you something. And we crown so was say ya konya a party for na mo bana mo ye first timers wo parliament mo fia di free no wo kwan afaso a ne constituency on you mo e relate ye na time bi do abato a otumi win clean clear no hard ways bia or winning a simple na mo suan kakra dia free no ho mo ba ze dia mo ba be ni huh? We modi by we division. I told you more. I told you more. We crash as a mum pay bibia crashia. Mum pay bibia sua. And we did a modi we a barber chassis.
DJ Richie. Young Rabon is no. Or the call is Omuti Ona, Omutu, and your mother park.
Omutu to our board, Papa.
Richie said, today, dear. Your dressing is very simple. This is for bankers watching my bosses. NDC should focus on the nation building and find better works and better salaries for we Ghanaians. President Mahama and his government is sitting there changing of names. Abba. Greetings to unopposed chairman in Ashanti region, Koka, JFK lawyer, Chichi, and Francois. Okay, way every dankwe ho Anna Ade Akye Abia. Nah, we also say good morning, Sompa morning show. Please listen in Ghana. No NDC and President JDM, no Ghana. Greetings to President JDM and Honorable Ade Akye still. Maintain 2028 from Mr. Paul. Hello, aka Abum Chairman. Obuasi Adansi. Chairman, I hope some nyawodi Abum Chairman.
Abum
ABUUM. Abum Chairman. Chap say, or say hello, good morning, please. Now Obribohan doesn't know what he's saying. Oh, chap. Chap so message in 50509 438 500. Na anope yenye enkenkan emmau enso ewo fie ha. na maminka se enche ebeba homa no so na yaba befa wo how ne sen ti ebe region by region na ye tie how I wo various region no last week ye anhye da nya complaints bebre last week na ye de PRC for by to mbe cheche yen ewo ensuo rich ma yenche anopai wo PRC ombe cheche ewo ensuo ene kania ne titu e de ombeba na one of these days ye the urban rules nso ebeba na ya hwe akwan ne niema etisa we are working behind the scenes no say ebeboam na eya na bi o mu time no emboa o mu kra time no emboa mu but we are working hard say ye the ombeba then you'll be answering questions and all that ombe mo be busa busa questions na free or dance de bia no yen kwaji brom ye pese munya feel no said ye eniama esi at your bada no pe mame kan for express group emma express group so betu kwan akwa amonone sa okwa akosua de ana se okọ akwa ye adwuma bia ba akopɛ a mekanfo ede mawo express group eti anopɛ bɔ homoden sa obekɔ express group for anase na wakɔgye approach ho nsɛm da de me depa o express group ni sɛ ticketing no on wan hwɛ ya unhunum yi express group chow season bia ne kwan abefa so anya ticket wo fom one ticket because e discount nti ticket wo fom chen obi a na express group fo nso kyerɛ kwan a obefa so a register na watro enso hwɛ ye sat GRE GMAT TOEFL ne de keka ho no sa international exams ni no mu guide wo through registration and everything obetimi atrobi kane wo sa de we nyina abo ma abochi kɔ no eye easy ma wo bo modern na hwehwe wo kira kwan asafo labor runabout wo Kumasi Kaneshi first light on crime tema community 18 Lashibi golf filling station ho omone Lashibi funeral home and a bench so na East Legon omone Trinity Theological Seminar and a bench so na market circle opposite Hot Ernesto fast food Takra de anomuso sunyane Silver House building no a home no omuben high court no na Tamale Tamale Technical Hospital baby ani court ho from 024 9000 448 024 448 and 055555 in you 0067 55555 0067 and 050 8111 343 050 343 055 2827 787 nano pe kwai sa opeso ko sua de ope scholarship on sem wa broche o kwa ko pe visa assistance o pe ticketing o ko tour o ko holidays express group and number 1 may come for at the amount and pe kingdom heba omu ana de kingdom garlic capsules ni bi tesaba omu a enso na de kingdom ginseng power capsules kingdom ginseng power capsules ano male vitality eboa mema no ma mema ne timi gina so eboa ma osisi yade o mental stress so wadwe no ebrebebre kra na tobi a emma signals emma nyoma mpija enya adwuma emma moja ne circulate etibisra wa oya bema wadra ne kingdom ginseng power capsules eboa enso so emma o sufficient physical energy carrier so house energy ni wo hodon pa tremendous capsules so ya mama no ema na himfie o menses ensisi so ye ana se odioma bi on ma hwe je sentini ade odo ne den wase ho nkoye white ne ade misel unya tremendous capsules eno ana eboa sa enso so ana kingdom garlic capsules and bitters no eno for general well-being improve your immune system no prevent release stress anxiety arthritis numbness hypertension stroke heart disease cholesterol adiana doso mu a onya garlic capsules kingdom garlic capsules and in bitters arapay oko kingdom herbal center Okenshi drug lane ɛhɔ ana obenya bi ato saa so na all leading pharmacies and herbal shops so obenya bi wo omemu from 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 na kwajo Kingdom Herbal Center products na enyina ebi ewo anopai St Andrews Senior High School admission form 1 form 2 form 3 but special admission we kwama form 3 4 wa akwotwe nsohwe na ntimi ankoyi ana se unya fail ana se yetwa pepanim ana wo baby kra na unse form 3 wa hwe yenyoma nkoyi because school you so but modern ya free say school no ne ko enroll ewo St Andrews Senior High School omo anebo ya campuses na edoso hye so say wa asimfosu ya wo mankesim ya odunko ofin ya wo dunkwa onofin ya wo sehwi asanwe so ya new adubiase be so ye general arts general science business home economics sa also near visual arts agriculture science ni na ye bi o for 0244 696911 0244 696911 and 020789 1004 020789 1004 campuses in the ope bia utimi chusu na ukọ na akosua ade nso courses bia ye ewo honum RSYD Novigi Studio say or the best facility and state of the art equipment a bass u pese utwa film ye movie ye podcasting pese streaming dwumekuo na pese mu streaming social media na TV no so de ade akeka ho nyina back cameras or more pixels any da ho sa enso so more professionals ni timi handle nyoma kira wo senior obo direct o picture wo twam video wo twam kon be fa so direct sonko RSYD Novigi Studio on crime Malama Biase First Kokoko Street Mr. Shanenso say Ghana ha nyina ba bia wo be from bia o mba be ye adwuma na ma 057 471 5778 057 5778 and 030 3974822 ye na pese streaming ko live na say program bia sorry dia na wo ya pese streaming onya video no ye be na kama edi ama sciatica hinini o ko 21st clinic na sciatica expert me so 21st clinic hwe yade bia na me adom your doctors for nim die for ho a yade bibidro ekanwa je se enyoma etotoye na me adom ama yinhira ye nyanti asema ayarefo wo ye patient na ba ekwo ye do befa so nurses e wo kon befa so treat wani beje keke if ze nya fe no behwe no phone so ping debi nurses ne fully activated omoni ayarehwe de 5 and 6 omo da so straight me so anopai bomodin a se fa lab sem no ba oba ye ho a ye man ko ba bia ho a ne be ye wo sanso na ye nro ni abonten ye nro ni nyina ho ba doctor be prescribe am ne yi bia am pharmacist ni be yi am okwa wanom se ne oso onom no na sciatica ne de ene de onya duru a front desk kura timisa ya me de boye dua de hira yen enti ye sciatica expert anopai bomodin a debra ye massage machine ho afei professional obia oye massage ho ono so twetwe ma untinimi ade nyina for stimu ge adwuma na no pay abo kuma se ehwan overseas junction ye ne afa radio ne ben so Sompa TV Sompa FM ye wo soro no mo ye fom obo ase o mo cancel quarters call junction Accra Dome market ube hu omu sunyane technical sunyane teaching hospital hodo bo enkransa enso ube hu ye ho sanso na techimai oba ye behwew enso 0249311311 0249311311 0540311311 ofrew number CBA branches ne doso de be wo na yama wako akwa je hu ayarehwe last week ye din komo bebre na mo so mo de mo questions by ebi onuma yen express o mba chorchro ye na menim so ma sha se ye ho adwuma ene gisem aba wo western region Kwame o mun kania no em se na ho abansem pi eti se o muguso na anom your friend PR for ECG or Western region catcher say or Muguswa airshare ayama nyoma atutoyi na energy sama me won say yes there areas bi wo honoma na omu transformer no kra asay ni ade o makosesa no a team no so nam so hwe line no ehwe say bibia ebe kama o de o krom ho mimi ni ho entimi de ense o de soma me a mekwa akoye ho adwuma anopa frɛ ne ka che say ayeye ana still akakakra ya hu nkomo ayenu ombedie akwan no so de mekeka ba bi bebre omu de ama contractors no ehya ase abaso meka Ashanti region ha na esum da so okrom ha Ashanti region for da so osum labor area ho ne yi esum no wo ho na say mayor ya bo ma baso ba ku ya mokoye ya enkofo wiawia cables ya modi solar light ya be but esum eda so okrom ha na me bo next week na o my video ni nyina kama ne a kire mayor ne regional minister so omru afia we nya 38 yi no masa modi jana ba ne sebu ni man kama tena si sa nya agro ne edi okroma o uji position you don't have your social life they said your one first no montana se na mo de mo nwe mo to na mo nye social media sem me ne beduru o de mama mo few yi montana se na mo nye adwuma na esum no kore nkofo na mo nye 38 den there's a joke in your eyes adwuma ne so ba tena se so obeya obetimaye what you say me yo nan saying nenamua fine but aka ne kakra me ka kire no for krom say nso be hu say MC or no so da kakra what you say omnyina de o madwen beba so bu aya na nrefi ne ho tu twa no to kakra no akai ti free next month for this month he say February ya beba MC to MC na mo video so ya record agu ho a ye bow video ni ato so krom ni na ya MC ho na say wada na excellency John Dramani mama behwe ama wada because say be original minister me de ka sebu original minister no agro won ni so a region kro no be sorry say western say eastern say Ashanti region say MMDC is no mo say regional ministers ase o say regional minister ko eyi concert a o nyina abedi agro enti region bia no ye be rerem sa anya region ba ko ti be rem anopai mame hu onsam say de sitie 0548931931 monfa books na mon chat yotro monfa book na mon tro 0548931931 0551931931 nyani nyina anso da mbebo machi boni se ni para ya dwuma panso a ba yehu na yansa nkwanko boso biem because videos ni bi wa ya gu dada mosi yenwrahin upper west upper east northeast Savannah and Northern region. Mama me temunka every ho. Upper West, Upper East, Northeast, Savannah and Northern region. 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you dini baby are free.
Your friend Andrews. Me can say free have the pump patas here.
There be Andrews yabeba mo region so fa cha me why say be ya o mo trotro na mfo mani so no adaroma be pese o mo tro no chronologically coherently na o munya onze teacher for wa ha to mo trotro ja ku so professional teacher tro no kama pa na no ye rema kwa akodi nkomo enti me sra o mo fa ncha me na menya upper west upper east northeast so o mo de o mo ho no mo adwe o mo a then I move to another place. Now say omu challenge ba ko pa na omu kwan no. Na empanfo so omu de ama contract. But I don't know say omu ba kwan no so a. Because a kwan na ho no na a bit worrying. Oh those areas no. Wa me akwan ni bi wo enye wo. Emfuturo ni
atitia pa. Enye. Akwan ni bi wo fa so a wa utimi say yes.
Last week you can say you kwa update on mopa kwan some sunyan say ho na ko sunyan bo sunyan kwan no utimi ko hwe kakra
o Kwame eso ye
omugugu nsusu
so say mfuturo na
but omu ye adwuma ni progress
zidi omu adwi so awie no de omo shede ni su biem sa
omo jusu wi omo ni o
ani omo shede ni su sa
cars ni sisi obi
na no me fa so no me hu nim se bi omo ko park baby na ma
bi omo park baby
but me
okay, Upper West, Upper East, Northeast, Savannah, Northern region. Me pesa me call region for na afi na abefre me ana na me nyawo na say ye tra region ya tra because adwuma no ya be say ye ne kroje ma na otifia wani age ho na nwoma ekoso ti yenye Upper West, Upper East, Northeast, Savannah region and Northern region. Kwame ye free honum Northern region say na de omoye na yamra Western North, Western region and a Central region. Western North, Western region, Central region. Yenyira omuhodum. Omuhodie jamiadum omuhodie. De ma mepe Western for na sem say. Omdom problem ne ba. Na ofa the railway offices na ye kan afobon so ma hyase eye ho adwuma minim say adanko dada dia. But they've been doing a lot, especially omu kan ya wonsem no pa. Na oma kwan do na and so that regional ministers yene won komo sa ade ne ho a ye hwe de omuyeti Western North, Western region, Central region. Western North, Western region, Central region. 0551931931 0548931931 be anton kan free hodom ade na akoso region hodom Western North, Western region and Central region. Ogba mantem hodum nyina efa hodum na safi bodi asanwen so akontomra sa area ho nyina fe yenwam wo Central region za kaso nyina ka Central region kaso say Cape ni sa area so nyina hodum so one of the fantastic places o wadu an board na edin but come on. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Boko na so e.
Adumo. Mekasefi Amenfi West.
Amenfi West. Okay. Anope nkomo be na wo ho.
Masa nkomo e wo ni se. Am say ye kwan a ye wo so no. Sebe. Lo mama time ba ye no de ma asabia. Obeye koi wanye.
The time first one na. The time first one Jodi can buy no.
The time first okay. 2016.
Okay.
Ode man wanye no koi na na Dubai. Intini mpeni for na MPC no bia buy. A omo be ma campaign. Omo ye campaign. Ni na me question say. Se me di fufu ewie na no amoma me abedi na se mindi. Also untimi no be say na say what? Ni pa ye man contract 20 me anye. Enti no ba masa de amani bi.
Mosa amani to aso.
Masa ye kwana pra me no ka say me papa do side. Kuku afinya no timi harvest 700 packs. They say I willing say ekwane say e be fem ne kuku ni wu. Me nim kran set bia say metimi akwa ye phone because of something for ne nwere ye. Enti me say anya de obi be ye se guarantee ba say amekwa kutu aton yo minim say pen for nwere ye unti yes
700 bucks de enya asem keto o.
Why on the first we should Pristia to Nkwanta to Summer Boy, Massa.
Pristia to Nkwanta to Summer Boy.
Aye. Who shall Kwana Massa? Medasi.
I ask some. Hello, good morning.
Oh, me Bema, I was here. Guys, Nasumi,
Uncle Do.
Mr. Paul, a.k.a. Abum Chairman.
Abum, there's Boissy.
I don't part of my wife, the mom, but the movie I'm like to mammy with the mom in the back deal. My water farmer.
Abom problem. Mamma fast and transformer. Why? Meba Shanty region. Abom Meba Shanty region. Meba Shanty region. Boissy, the Moka Shanty region. Enwa ti me deal with Central ne Western. Hello, good morning.
Morning mini and that is say
open case ya boko odin baby afrefri.
Also mpa for the maya the mabbo modi me ti empate masepa me di do atoko amena. Me kasa wa yam pre.
Okay. Okay. Atoko amena.
masa maybe mumo midin ewo
but atu ni problem kra na ade na akoso
na ade akoso nyina ya pa de jira west papa ye wu bo me kra ya ye from I am free to do kwaw
I am free to do kwaw
ekwan ya dudu so na ya ye ne bata we se pot wo gum na wo ko futuo enya yankopon na ya adom em na ja ye toto abaya nyame ahira ba wo mia amenfi apeke enke futuo ko ya zini mu no ye wo ye sre minister eba transport minister no wo domina se apa de tra wa ye domina se won ti mi anye kwa no ami ato abadia e me sre the mama won say yes and on your mind.
Akwan no.
Koko sika so. Na koko sika so. Ye koko akamo.
Oh.
Kali koko on the 3rd January.
Oh,
December. Ye sanka sika. Aha.
Oh.
And the ebre di wo mo nse ta ade na maye.
Matiato. Matiato me da si bebre. Ato kwa abra no. Hello, good morning.
Oh, abu mutia na madana bi mu.
Abo me se me ba Ashanti region. Ze se me ne
you know when you bra. You only mama tell me man Benny, his excellence John.
Abom tie me se me ba Ashanti region. Ma me mra Ashanti region na frɛ. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Obapa udi ni baby afrefri.
Me pa cho your friend me Docas me ka se free nkotimi so. After the Intra West.
Okay.
You mean be man kan na me tebi. Road minister what domina sense wo ba no mfa ho. Fa ba bi ani ekwan ni enti esramo. One day Bible say ade a ya to atwene de Kenya nsafo ani wu. Enti jo mama me ye mayen. Ni ya ho nto yen. Ye tu kwan a ye ble ye kamo show. Masema.
Obapa ya da sia no pay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Western North.
Okay, that's good.
Martin Ekasari.
Martin, my dear, no pay.
Kwantadisa no kwenya mieni say you be quiet lighting ya kura.
Say you be quiet.
Say you be quiet.
Nanya hoso na na mo ka so mu ba hoi.
Kwantadisa ya lighting ya amuye say bobo. Kwantadisa mo hwe na munni hujuma ma ye na nya kura say be quiet.
Martin, he fa ankasa na munya issues no.
No say be quiet krum, be quiet township ne de. E free assign so ebese ne ko assign so ketuam ko assign so kafiem. Ane de na say ase bobo.
Edum na so sa.
No edum na so sa pre.
Asempa o.
Enti yesere omo hwe no mu no hujuma ma say be quiet ye ho kire o life pa. Ane de ti Saturday say ya nya janitor ke ti mi anya ya yiye mo. I had
Martin, me that's it. Hello, good morning. Hello. Open you did baby free. Hello. What you ka? Odini baby free wadaruma. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Oba, Odini baby free.
Ipachu mikasafi Gomwa Central.
Gomwa Central, okay.
Ipachu wani. Ipachu from Winneba Junction to Aguna Swedru.
Winneba Junction to Aguna Swedru.
Ipachu wani.
Okay. Adia na yakoso.
Road ni Yani NP honorable Kwame Asari Obey A+. Sompa for your road in futu.
Agwa Suridru. Okay.
A black woman central for your bread. And that fool. A juma ye be ye road is so and ye. And see a sereno. One boy.
Bate. A plus yeah, a couple this year friend, a best friend. I say, Kwame, so watch it, no. Okay, watch it. Young Quad region home. Young Fawi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't be a free. Safi Awaso okay. Bien ti open kesi. Yeah, me hu ho, minimum pa.
You want to name a question. A word the doctor. Omani a birthday. A bunch of channel in the door. A Yawasu Kaka. So, I know the best of Yawaka. Yes, it's a culture. Quota, I didn't
Safi.
Quota, I didn't
Bate, me da ase menua. Baby om two box site no. Eziso adna baby om de dada e se Kwame. Ye two gold ni box site o ho a. Gold ni mpe quota. Hey! Me ko Johannesburg me na me say, "Hey, go for Ibua." Baby quota pa, wa me kura odu wu say, "Oh no mo ye man me no." Hey! Se no mo de try to So we try to Kwame we try to do say baby e mines na mpekuta and it is omubua
why na say for Johannesburg
na kohwe
madam fu bi be say kon
serious Kwame yanko bono east and a half region bono east and a half region bro regional minister mame mona baso anopay lawyer kwabua we dey anopay mame chao na me mo abaso sa info sam na manfo nim wadi akirache underground wire adwuma ohwa kwabua so yo ni PhD in law so still ogusu ano ye ho adwuma say lasting peace that aso sika braye the last time me hu no na ye because nyankafo program bi na me share no na in fact me bona baso pa sanso na ojaman sanso de wa me say darling papa be nyame sham se maji atum se be masumdua ba ba me ramu na 0551931930 0548931930 bono eastern half. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you din baby free. Okay, yenti of free draw bo.
So there, my message is paying for. Ocean from Disney to Sompa Road na enekwa Ereselebu Regional Minister.
Disney to Sompa.
Why? Because finding your crime.
big push.
Yo, me da say basa Kwame sa kwan no kaya ni edi akiri. It's part of the big push.
Ane.
Because I contract and chronom refindi. As a round goals or something. Rambo or something. I quite remember. So Mudiama contract. Now sa kwan na every year biom the mark contract.
Asenso bo achi kra na no ya so.
Asenso bo achi mbene so. Okay. Now I'm surprised basa. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Mike, man, no pay.
But Bunu East now, and Buna Alpha, the Chiman, make a bit of Chiman, but
okay, Bunu East, yeah, okay.
Whatever, programming, may feel that programming is fine. But I bet the and then President Chelsea said, Oko Bono East. I think to come down so quino. A1, but a quino 100 years. Who could tell
I tell you to Kwame down so.
So I catch a quino. Minister, I use President of Baba. CJ Mereso. So Sabe drew Nanado, they drew Jamama, a president of Babia, a final is about the anyway mean fence your matter. So also, Quawatari, we walk out, but for your account. Yes, I wouldn't mean what. No way, you don't get me, Diablo. Say, Opa, I don't make any, so be here. I don't make as a partner and catch your matter. And yeah, brother, Minty that, but then all mania get pop. This is all more than a boy right now. You would be one more than before my any BC for Mr. A fine idea, no can you mean me? There be a good man.
Mike, may I say, Mike me da se pa kwam dan so ni bi wo fie ha. Kwam dan so ni bi wo fie se ono ote ano ne krom kwanye no ote a. Okay. You do a greater Accra makan. Yeah. Kaswa. Kaswa they say central. Okay, from Kaswa Kakraba to Gomwa Nyanya no. The road is not good at all. My name is Amponsa, Gomwa East. Let's say Gomwa Central and Gomwa East. Okay, Amponsa, well noted. So, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open your dinner, baby, are free.
Okay, friend, Mr. Mikasafi Tako to Asenkregwa.
Tapa.
Me pato to Asenkregwa. Asenkregwa would not Sabia mean to be with the reason why I am paying for nothing. They are not about the contract. Some contract, no, or your man the contract be all days move from. I'm so true. I feel so. Over years, never pay you. I'm a bullshit to you by Chima, Tazidaba, because I cry. Ufiri kan bo Tazidaba nasu.
Why never born am soon?
Almost never since the Bible issue. Kukwasa the bar. I don't know why.
Oh, Mate, you're through about that me team is a memfa. Then I was a mefa. Tibuno East and a half region. Anyway, now I'm dancing for more kwanya crasa. Sa kwanya so the free rollings time. They beyond the man contract. As we would be kwesi. They beyond the man contract. Kwame dancing. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Yeah, good.
Problem so den ya ni nche maninsa amrebiem. Na ehme ya say, kwam dan so no. Obi akoy investment hotel ka bia na no mi hu pa. Think force ani
think force. Ba ko bi so kakraka ai Crystal Palace.
Ana kwan ni nya sa. Kwan ni nya kra.
Asem bia woni kan da kwa me.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir. Open you din baby free.
But I'm engineer and I'm free akokwa atimwa mountain district.
Okay.
Sompa FM.
Obacho. Awa bana omukotu yena. Ni kesu tembetri bana omukotu ma bomiano. Omwana akakotu ama bomia this year. So what does it? But umpe wanu kweu.
We say we dey anyhow. Kwame. That we dey say anyhow. We anyhow. Hello, good morning.
Sompa, me po cho masina bi na ubi sa don board no. Oboard wo banchi. Banchi, ofi banchi ni ko achempim na ofi ni kan sane do board driver na so.
Why na board and so when I'm busy me nipa kro.
Asabia the manager himself.
Hey, Asma
I was there that time I was coming from license office.
Wow.
Yeah, I witness.
Now I say kwani na enya na say dey na command to kwani bae.
The driver no say I contract ya dey adwuma dey ama o. Wo da hanu sa over years. I na see ato ba say aka na ko kalem ba. Na dey contract akura ni. Na driver na say manyu. Na man is free the car, me see that time for the boost to sell me Asabia no. Africa ni see ya not that tell them na so wom.
Hey.
After car into me ko kan timimba. So me ka who be sell by Chima, people will testify.
I don't run almost had the contract na sa many bio.
I don't matter the contract amount from board to Asenkregwa. What does so sa who coffee or you could in a chick to. Why you mean say 2 weeks get because Asenkregwa. Or could in a chick to call in footloop. In footloop, what the man can move I would to say you make a mebuana.
Mate. Don't worry, cry. Nyameti ase. Me dase. Hey, and some see baby pow. Hey, see you so. Hey, see you, Kwame. And some see baby pow. Hey, now because someone know what me bonus. Now who need power bonus? Sometimes people do things that me free bonus region. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Yeah, good morning.
Open you didn't baby are free.
I'm free West Surgeon Takwa.
Okay, yentu are not pay.
But you was yeah the light on your crack.
So Western free.
Western light in your crack.
Western the free or my catch him say. You drew one man, but more light in your young argument in a mamma and Casemio. Kwame, drew region now. No, afraid. Mako region for front. Yes, sir. Me trotula and a ma a total be a yen to me near Biaki Kamuno. Because you're grouping into regions.
Yes.
Say a Bruno region for no trot. So still you are
far now.
Say a Western Kwame trot. Say a Bruno region, Barbara trot. Say a ha catch day copy. Kevin Moore ho be a tapu. To me and sa team the dorsal. And your day humanity. Me say you do region ma no room. Mammy call Eastern region.
Greater Accra.
Volta region. Oti region and a Greater Accra. Aye. Meyanisa. Aye. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oba podini baby afrefri.
E ba cho me ka free boy no touch my.
Oh.
Kwame na so kwan na omo kan e no prepa. Yesha ene ehun se kwan na say up to now kwan na da so ho me flexible. Na ma semba kwa me dey to journey. Me sre NPP4. Abana na no ikoto ye no yesra sa ani die na boy ba umiachifo ayese omufuru ebinom no emwa ye nyina ye yafu ba komade emwa ntimsra wo mo
mate ne hawo no MPP4 sister ne hawo no osimunyai sa anwoma no suban na amo ye na emwa ekuru ni sei na unku kam betima to abawe ni Hello, good morning.
Sompa FM.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. But you can very cry.
Okay, my auntie are crying for sir.
But let me check over the in a map amoy. And Edikan ye Yadamansi. Nakopon to Monquandam. Forget me a boy. You say, no, when you say, Accra, as say you man pie. A bit is ACC, Botiano, Broadcasting, Malanjansi, Latoff. Metosin, you know, Traffica, ACO, free, too good, Castle, too good to Mala Market. And about how much are you woman in age? Metosin, answer. Drivers, no. Omuluduko Accra Oduha so oko ACC no wa be a force bi fafa ahono eko kasoa efi Botan Junction eko ayi oko ayi o de Accra 80 ba obi no wa tua 15 cedi ana 20 Ghana na free oko to se bia la pasa bia 7 cedi wodu no wa tua bia 13 cedi. Uko to say Medina 10 cedi. Ubudu no 20 Ghana. Sano mano kosoa. Sempanyimfo no nyanti ho a. Imise minister de any MPs no mo ho ne assemblyman for ne DC for no more area no Accra ayi no. O meti na o mo hwe no mo eje ema fair no utu se fuwe no na ma ehwe uhwe cars utu se fuwe no so atia ba fom. Ba se lolo pena basoro.
Okay. Medase openyi edase bebre. Kwame se mutwe ACC ne usuni sa traffic no. That traffic last time go Tompa na me ko Sompa Accra. Na okay. Ti yejinam Greater Accra, Eastern region, Volta region, Oti region. Ania fa hello, good morning.
Morning.
Oba pa di ne ba bia free. Sarah me enti anopaye.
Ipacho old barrier.
Aha.
A free malam dancing ko do old barrier ko to boot.
Aha.
E kwani nya akara hom. Enti to a omo mu fie mo SCC ko down nyina so yiri fawom. Ko hwe ko fie pa omo tuo free wo ma bi ma ye nyanka bi ma wuwu. Tenye so mu fie wo mo ti abotanya isu ne free main road ni so na etwa mu ba ho no tasi rank ni side e ko SCC ho no ko fu ewu ejo mu ma no mo ma ye nyanka because of main road no go tell what mo ye na nsuo na free so no if you more na ti ho ni be gu sa go tell more na ti won so na free box outside no aja aya ho aban fa ho de bia ban fa nyimfo nam ho enso omu bia ya pa mo show omu ga sa nem kamaye na ye nya e papa no no na ayo wo ja ye doso e wo ta pa ho ti omu kamaye why
yeah that's it yeah Abaya that's it. Hello, good morning.
Over.
Open you din baby afri.
Only about back up there. Opiska bide. Love it more. I break a car. Precisely. I yell pass. Yamicha Junction. I just baby see pepe and I'm the word. Within Yamicha Junction. Total filling station never no. Like it and I just baby see no. The one Opiska good in a put on a pay. Over. How another pay before Kwame Nkwantabisa. O colleague na only the program na ma say na wo ye kakra wo jemu so jana afenyo market ya money seat na dia offer no kre
nya no wa say de kawo na wo de mi jawa
ya o
wo de mi jawa asema be ka de kawo ha de
offer ya afenyo market ya money seat obi ani wa ye the best journalist mo nya say mo ye kakra wo jemu no na mo ye dem ba o me o president
wa nka say o ma money seat e ha wa nka say o ma money seat
offer the mamen come anim
mate
offer ye betre abanwe o she akwan and na to dan kwakufo de ne pa me ye offer majority abanwe ba yo wajago o she agenda 111 up and na to dan kwakufo de what set of family me no kasa me health worker currently me doctor offer o she agenda 111 and na to dan kwakufo de etijawo offer abanwe ba o katre ne budget so pay 10 won fan example ka ba kompo offer dem e bo aka chem semebo o katre ne budget mu so pay 10 agenda 111 on fan insanka 1 year new on fan insanka ba kompo ni nyina ya jagu mremo se me kai na do ba 2017 na journalist mo ye mo kan ne say ana ayi mahama school na day school no so wo sisi no e block no ya jama na bumrem na do copies kan koye so mahama ba yi do obi aka na no tum agenda 111 no mo jagu mo jai say emu murem den say e bi kwa 90% 95% complete o the better ban way ajuma no want me nya wonka because you see no wa feel for clearly of a family ajuma
me da say na asema den say agenda 111 no 111 no me colleague ba ko ha na wa ye documentary on it na me na make say in subsequent days to come no bema there are a lot of things eba the teach pa wo how ni say no sometimes ya ye borua area ni apeke how Kwame many pay friends say sports tinting me am madam fu na me refund
work na
adia o de me man okay what there mama kwa Ashanti region no na fe yema mama kwa Ashanti region 0548931931 0551931931 hello good morning Barbara you free so Ashanti region ana yegina anope yenti Ashanti region na fe ya twetwere gu hoi yen hya ase na yen frefre enu next week na enya emuaye de amamu nyina na your birthday so ho yenye hello good morning good morning Oba pa odini bia o free beautiful
hello
Oba pa mienti o
good morning but some person say
Oba pa mienti o ya free nkran but body tell mami
me want media media on you already want to send proof in fact kwanu super nye media on mu nye fra na so be yes boy so mo yes be mo di chef be do mba be yes man o mo yes mo fa show ku
omo ya kwan no but omo water ho
kono kwa nya na pe mo do mo sabe tete ka ja no ma ko hu mo ye
I see what's what dini e den
ena pa sawo media mo e ti for no omo fa ba ku ye
Okay, and cry free until dear mamma nas waka problem na we are MPP dear nechina ya betena se na waka. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, opinion.
Good morning.
Pacho dini baby are free. Oh. Bara, too bad. Unfortunately, me and your birthdays, no. Hello, good morning, Mama Fatway.
Good morning.
Opacha Odini baby are free.
Pacho, your friend Andrews, unit committee member, Abrepo Eritrea area.
Okay.
Andrews, me na me ka free no.
Yeah, na me see you Ashanti region. Okay, Andrews me enti.
Me Pacho, a problem ba ko pa ne se. Yenya kania. Bantuma constituency. Me a unit committee member. Abrepo Eritrea area. Yenya kania. Ye electoral ye na yesum.
Na waka actually mo assemblyman because so the privilege we a committee member.
Because you come meeting. My assemblyman ya aware ye nyina come meeting. E the report eko. Ama there's a 3 times near ya come meeting the report ko my assemblyman ya aware. Enye yenko electoral area.
Okay.
Enti. Ye dasre ye papa Zuba say. On twa na ni hwa Asante region na. Esum. Ewo Asante region pa. Ye to so biom so ye security. Me ka na say moto fo.
En come nine.
Se do ahumate e ma ni kodwoma. Enti ama ye electoral area no. Ye nyanso. Obu committee ana den ko so
o committee member there ma pick your number me no be din komo pa why me no be din komo because my me birthdays no this number ma pick am me no be din komo unity team member there any be din komo. Okay, happy birthday to Hilda. Oba Hilda, happy glorious birthday, beautiful one. Today is a special day to a special person like you. Say you no cry de komino. Yeah, Oba Obosie. We your friend Otobrosie. Oh, baby, ojira so we nka soja pa. Happy birthday, sweet Hilda. May God bless you. May his countenance shine upon you. You are special. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy this blissful birthday from Sompa TV, Sompa FM Kumasi. Happy birthday, Hilda. Na young way. Happy birthday, Mrs. Nana Akye Flores. Hello. Mrs. Happy birthday, Senya Misha Edemau. Mr. Paul, hello. Ayokunu, aka Chairman, Abom, Abuasi. Also, Dodo, when you want to be day. Also, on your buseni, Senya Misha Mau. Senya Minya Kese. Copies of Bell Kesipa. Now, who offends the Yezo. Namia de Shira Wankasa. Mrs. Happy birthday, Nana Akye. Enjoy this day. Happy birthday, Kwame Elizabeth. Elizabeth, happy birthday, beautiful one. Elizabeth, today is a special day for you, and this is a working moment for you to catapult to another level. Yes, saying I mean, Shannon, a bamboo, and quatinting amount. Happy birthday, Wefri Kwame, a Jakon, or Sompa TV, Menena, and Ejuma, or Sina Michelle Bebre. The other one in the Mink. Okay, happy birthday to Tagore Odro. Tagore, happy birthday, Tagore. Gentleman Tagore, yes, saying I mean, sure amount. Saying I may say, Omana Humo Brono, and Koswa, and Yakase amount. Over Time FM, Obuasi, Wefri, Mr. Wack of Sompa TV. Wack, hardworking Wack. Or say happy birthday to you, or Dodo Tagore, happy birthday. Afe Inshraba Akwesi Okra. Inshraba Udin Cratcher say, no matter what to be insha. Bema pa nanim oh yeah gentleman nyame show no ma kwa tenten omo pom din inshallah enjoy this wonderful moment and a blissful morning. Happy birthday, sir. May we ask sports time until monya nintentem. Happy birthday to Patrick Denchi Temple. Patrick Denchi Temple. Patrick and you wa wo there yesi nyame say on from fra dumu enkwa dumu oya be ma idie Oma botom da bia enyama. Onyame mo akoma penti onyini nche. Oh, you are such a humble and a gentleman. Happy birthday to you, Patrick. Enjoy this moment with the blessings of God. Way free, Mr. Wack of Sompa TV. Hey, Wack, and Wack, what you contract? or say of feel too much. Enti nyame nye okese. On that note, okay, happy birthday going out to you. Oh, Barbara, they na muye mi. Huh? Happy birthday going out to you. And I wa that mommy. Yes, Nyankopon say, onwa enyo kese. Nyame enfon fra adum kwa adumu. Ohene ma Elizabeth Techiwa. Parliamentary candidate for PNC. Sunyani West constituency. Way free. Inspector Richard Osei Boateng of Mankran. So MTTU. Inspector de Oegayo. Osi nyame show no onyo kese pa. Oma kwa tinting na on show bebre. Happy birthday to you, Auntie Ohenema Elizabeth. Enjoy this day. On that note, Maminye Muna the powerful Mbapa. Mbapa. Voice power pace. Just wabing Emba any team net nasi. Orlando Beba. Team Nina Beba. Nyami show bibia.